That's awesome, Jim. Well, you keep taking good trades like that, you might as well be. See, my wife is magical. She actually lost 2 years. She actually got 2 years younger, even after being married for five. All right, let's see. We're good. I'm gonna go ahead and start out here, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna start out here. Okay. All right. Streaming, YouTube active, Facebook active. Am I good? Am I live? I'm live? I'm live. Ladies and gentlemen, we gave you IBM. We gave you boring money. We're going to discuss IBM earnings as well as the boring money. I am Mark Melnick. This is the Newsbeat Show. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Newsbeat Show. We gave you IBM, we gave you boring money today, and boring money is still green. Making a boring $1,000 is just as much money as an exciting, exhilarating $1,000. You see, most traders don't understand that trading, even though it is exhilarating at times, doesn't really have to be that way. Sometimes days are just very boring and very effective. And if you lost money today, that is probably because you were bored and you were clicking the keyboard for excitement. With that being said, I want to show you all these things, some algorithmic levels. I time traveled from the future into the past, which is today, to share with you these levels. But first, I need you to agree to hold Mark Melnick not liable for anything you hear, read, see, think, dream when watching this video or listening to this video. If you do not agree to that and write down everything I just said and have it notarized by three bankers, if you do not do that, if you do not get it notarized by three notaries working in a bank, you must exit this video immediately. Well, now I owe you. So, ladies and gentlemen, um, I would say very interesting day, but I would just be lying to you. So let's talk about IBM. So we told you yesterday, we're like, do the out of the money, strangle an IBM, because the thing likes to pop real hard. I mean, here's some silly lines here, but you could just see IBM exploding after hours. And if you took the strangle, congratulations, you made money. Um, so let's talk about the earnings real quick on IBM. I told you, remember I used the word yesterday at least when they said they would make at least this much money, and I highlighted that. They actually said the same words again, and I love this word. I love these words from the company because they said it again that they were going to make at least this much money when they gave their projections. And I said that was my favorite thing. What they said last time, they actually said it again this time. Obviously, I'm biased if you watch yesterday's video. Um, you'll see exactly what I mean. And if you did take the strangle as what I don't want to use recommended from a legal standpoint, not that you could hold me liable for anything, but as we recommended and showed you in yesterday's video. 487 beats the 484 per share. 21.76 billion beats the 21.75 billion. Whoopsh. Now, that means nothing to me. What means everything to me? Their future projections. You ready? Fiscal year 2019, which is they're going to be reporting their next earnings will be the first quarter earnings for 2019. $13 at least, they use the word at least, 1390 versus the 1384 consensus. That is $12 billion versus the $11.9 billion in fiscal year 18. It is just quite a move here, and I just want to show you the chart real quick. It's going to be a game plan name, but you have a nice trigger here at 133.40. Definitely something to watch. So Oh my God, you guys want to talk about the market? I almost fell asleep. I'm gonna wear these glasses so you guys don't know that I'm actually sleeping behind them. I just want to show you the boring trades we made today. Today was a complete and utter snooze fest. Doesn't mean you shouldn't make money. And I just want to go ahead and show you this. And you know, all I can think of right now is that I'm blue, dabu dee dabu da. That's how I think right now. So looking at the first thing we traded today was eBay. And what I did here was I bought puts through the break of this level. Bang, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven red bars in a row. And I ended up taking profits on my puts. And you could see if you held it, the stock would have just basically leaned down for the entire day. And we bought eBay puts early on. There was no BS theory or chart patterns I love. It was very easy to catch. Guys, when if eBay breaks this level, I'm gonna buy puts. Guys, if it breaks this level, I'm buying these $34 puts expiring this week. Okay, guys, I'm waiting for it to break the level. All right, guys, I'm in. That's how it sounds like when I open a trade. It's not like it's not like, you know, hard to follow. I mean, I make it as easy to follow as humanly possible. And for the traders who just come in and follow our ideas, those are the traders who are walking away profitable. The traders who are just, taking a lot of other trades, it was a very difficult day today. You might have had some trouble. Then I was watching Tesla, and then what I noticed was Tesla was falling down over here. And then what I said was something very interesting. Look at the daily. You see Friday's low in Tesla right here, $299.73. So what I did here on Tesla, and here again is just a 1 minute chart. And again, we're announcing that we're doing these trades prior to us doing it. And what I did was I just basically just took Tesla puts right here and watched it flush right under $300. I snagged in some my profits in Tesla, and I basically just stepped back. And like that was my boring trade of the day. But there are a lot of traders who got caught up in so many other things. I think one of the biggest diseases in trading is like everybody thinks like they have to be trading something. It's kind of nuts when all these traders think they always have to be changing something or changing something about them just to like almost for shock value. You're bored, you're sitting at your computer, you traveled into the office, wherever the office is, or you don't want to have an unproductive day. So you almost feel like you have to just go ahead and trade something every time it pops up. No, you don't. Trading wasn't designed to be exciting. The traders who get easily excited when they trade are going to be the traders who have the hardest time growing. And I'm telling you that. And I know a lot of the stuff we do here is exciting, but you'll hear it in my voice. For me, I don't really get excited so much as my heart starts beating when, you're in 500 to 2,000 options or something, which is like 50 to 200,000 shares of, you know, not a name that's, not a little small cap name that a lot of other people pump and dump to make their P&Ls on, but like a real name, like eBay, like Tesla, names like that. And, I'll get my heart pumping, but you want to know one of the easiest tricks to controlling your breathing? It's funny, one of the things I used to do when I used to trade all day is my shirts over here, this part of my shirt, would always have holes in it because I was literally sitting there breathing through it, and I guess the natural acidity of my saliva and my breath just breathing in on it weaken the threads in the shirt. And then when you wash it a bunch of times, there'll be a hole there. So, one of the easiest ways to control your breath, believe me, your shirt is not worth as much as your trading account. Or if it is, there's something wrong with you. Um, are you going to be like that dude from India who had that shirt made of solid gold? Anyway, this is one of the easiest ways to control your breathing. As soon as you put As soon as you put your shirt over your mouth, you'll actually lower your heart rate. You ever notice when you're on an airplane, you have a bag and people put on the bag and they're like, you know what you're actually doing? You're inhaling less oxygen. When you inhale less oxygen, your heart rate naturally slows. So when you put your shirt over your face, you're inhaling even less oxygen. So that is definitely, one of the tricks that you could use to calm down your trading and not go absolutely nuts as you're looking for something. But again, just an easy name on Tesla. Again, you really don't got to start trying to chase things or keep changing things or keep trying to figure things out because it's just going to ultimately not help you. It's just going to ultimately not help you. Stay calm, be smart, be focused. I would like to think that traders who can finally adapt that mentality are the traders who tend to be the most consistent, like the Newsbeat Live members. Very simply, okay, you want to know our algo levels for tomorrow? They're right over there. You can go ahead and screenshot them, write them down, tattoo them on your face if you need to this time. They're changing every single day, and they're changing every single day, and here are tomorrow's levels today. So again, I really like the IBM earnings. I thought they were just really good. Let's just take it right back to the chart again. And for my game plan, I'm just simply watching this A plus trigger right over there, $133.40. So again, stay calm, stay bored, but make money. There's a reason, ladies and gentlemen, why traders who just focus on making money and not being excited all the time end up being the most consistent traders on the planet. And there's a reason why those traders are Newsbeat Live members. And there's a reason why those members swear that the Newsbeat Live room is the largest, fastest growing trading room in the nation. Happy trading, make money. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the Newsbeat Live trading broadcast. Have a wonderful evening.